Richard scratching a tree. Some tree scratching action. He's getting his claws real sharp. Come on, buddy. Yeah. This is our private path. We've seen one person come down it once, but we were not even on it. We were just close to the path. We've seen dogs walking in the street from this path, but they never come down this path. It's just for Richard and I to walk on. All the leaves are real pretty. It's definitely fall. Good boy. Yeah, buddy. He usually likes to turn that way. You want to go that way? I like to go the other way and head home. Oh no, he's coming home with me. Good job, buddy. After our catwalk, I will play tennis with my brother during the early football games. And then I'll come home and watch the 49ers. And lift weights. Come on, Richie boy, let's go. Yeah, buddy. Good job, Richie boy. Let's go. Something scared him. Well, we're about home. This was a long video to conclude the walk. Thank you for watching.